That thing I like. I say when I see Shauna Chin come out and the crowd sit down, that think a pastor preach and the Holy Spirit not there. Nobody now realize she come out, you know. All my life you have been faithful. Oh yes, you have. So what one? 3 meat today, blood wall. Which 3 meat? May I eat oxtail and curry goat and may I have a curry chicken?
I really 3 meat never.
Them know every Sunday me try to throw one pan cute bass. Cute bass, I'm sorry but I'm not sorry. I'm sorry for not being sorry. Every Sunday me throw one pan here. And it's not like my plan. Sumfest are the boss. Come here. Sumfest at you. Everybody with their Sumfest perform good. Everybody mash up Sumfest. Everybody. Everybody. Mash up Sumfest. Everybody. Now, somebody tell me who never mash up Sumfest. Everybody, Mr. Sumfest, I'm somebody just a real in a Sumfest. When me out there. I say the performance them are going. I say, when I see some people come on the show, I say, I know, I know so the show I got mash up. I know, I know so the show I got mash up. I know, I know so the show I got mash up. I know, yes. I say, everybody will perform better than Cartel and Movado. Everybody performance better than Cartel and Movado. And one superstar up on the show, me not lie. One superstar up on the show. Not tell no lie. One superstar rap song. Will make me really say the show really fire. Everybody. Better than Cartel. I'm about them say. When I see the superstar step up, I say, yeah! You go! I start talking to her. Yeah! Yeah. Shauna Chin, you take the cake. Can't say nothing more. You take both the cake and the bake and the bakery. Shauna Chin, you did your best. But your best wasn't good enough. Girl, stop DJ. Hey, if you never did a take Joe, you could have done on Sumfest because me don't know how them put you on Sumfest. I have no idea. Shauna Chin, me not in a lie, you know shame. Me don't know what you did do, girlfriend, but anything you do, you know. You do for sure. Nobody ever call more Sumfest Shauna Chin because if I never pay your crutches, you could not perform. Because better artists out there than you and them now book them. I mean, don't know if you're an artist, architect, or arthritis. I don't know. I don't know for sure. Yeah, I don't know. But one thing I know, you have to stay in your yard, man. You have to stay in your damn blasted yard. Kind of your yard. You don't have no music, nobody now rock, nobody now jig. Not if the white people who listen to every fandangle that jig. You have to stay home, my baby. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Might as well come out and class, K. You don't get a win. At least we could get the mix up for those who never did here. Yeah, stay home, I waste of time, energy. You suppose you never did sex. Suppose you never did grind, Joe. You only did on the show. Me glad me not going now. Oh, I was going to fly down for it, you know, but when I remember my rent, I fly up back. Yeah? When I remember my rent, I just fly right up back, my love. Because I never did all of it. Me need to be truly thinking, but it's not like. Sometimes God bless some front, you know. Because if that not, hey, we front make link. We front make link. Me say Alpine Africa got Sumfest with Rosalie name. And Jake's name.
My God.
Mighty warrior. Even when Sumfest come to. But Sumfest water down from the time with Queen and Amari. Sumfest water down really. Candy did it on the show? Candy with the neck. She did it on the show? Well, they not for answer me. I just simple ask me if Candy did it on the show. The whole I not give me attitude. You can't pitch attitude here. I'm too attitude. Then oh, Candy did it on the show and she said she a big star now. Them now use Candy at the remote, you know. You said that little girl in the at the remote, Candy. At the remote, make them the book you. And Candy, could I take Shauna's space?
As an upcoming.
Yeah, Candy, could I take Shauna's space? Me don't know, but I better all tell anyway a remote one Candy all it look like Joe need Shauna. Cause of the remote only one Candy. Cause me not ask you now. Shauna, you first stop embarrass yourself so do. Anyways, girl, the money you make, you get paid off. You not do it for free. Me just warn you. Yeah. Sean Stam did it because I never hear him. Then Sumfest boring you. When I tell me to the crowd that you can't play football, me when if I drive by, walk by or ride by. You can't play football in a Sumfest. Sumfest water down, man. Then it's all take over Sumfest now. Mind Sumfest I go home like Sting, you know. Cartel and Mother never save the night. Them never save the night because them can't save Sumfest. And when them come with Sumfest, they play back in the day. The part that they send me back in the 2000 early. The part they have me in the 2000 early. Yeah, but nevertheless, we rock to where we can get. The fact of the matter is, enough of the artists, Sumfest is very boring.
It has gotten.
Yes, Sumfest has gotten so boring. You understand me? It's like a waste of time. Me not lie you.
You remember one time you have seen Star say, oh, everything book out?
Nobody now headline Sumfest. If it have no headline, I remember first time, oh, me want for Cartel, oh, a mother, oh, you know them way there? No. I just say, oh, Shauna Chin perform at the right place still because she boring like Sumfest. But Shauna, me one day finish here. At a part they are troublemakers. As an entertainer, me not in a like as an entertainer slash actor, me not in a life. Me da feel a way. Me da feel so much a weight not even funny.
But them the boy?
You better than before. But you perform like a rehearsal and you alone in the studio.
Oh. I don't see it, you know.
It's better than before. For true. Me da cry all this morning. Me not like me da just sit down with my hand on my jaw. I think the artists them take Sumfest. Them not take Sumfest seriously. I think no training, no nothing, no going for Sumfest. If the artists them not take Sumfest seriously, why should we on the outside take Sumfest seriously? Me not in a lie. Me say when me see Shauna Chin come out and the crowd sit down, they think a pastor preach and the Holy Spirit not there. Nobody now realize she come out, you know. All my life you have been faithful. Oh yes you have. And that she start with, you know.
I like you.
What? If I'm lying, I'm crying.
I've been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Wanna love God in here? All who say up and make a empty me at tell a girl come from your ugly face I can't walk. Body a tea and me ginger warm up. Mad them despite I can't look. Pretty girl, 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 this is my.
Maybe I fix the pot on the stove because Shauna now make my something drop out. Yeah. All my life you have been so good. Shauna ever out of breath, you know, see how the surgeon pull her just a little bit too tight. What do you mean she out of breath? She ever out of breath? If the child have the neck, she must out of breath. You know, the Shauna Sir just stay so. A good girl, still she get her thing, she get her money. Yeah, so nothing wrong with that. Try to get the money.
Yes, the thing is somebody in a comment, I must taste it and then try.
I taste it, I tell you this. I'm gonna drop the mic and run, you know. I'm gonna drop the mic and run. Me came back to talk about Sumfest. Sumfest is too boring. Next, moving right along. You guys haven't seen me yesterday, the day before, the day before, the day before. You guys haven't seen me. How you guys doing? Yeah. I say it better than send some of them TikTok go perform because we never know see people sit down and just take everything off of the internet carry got some face. Everything all world dog, you know. Ah, Jesus.
What?
All world dog and Yannick there some face. And the part that's sweet. And the part all world dog busy I try Jonah for himself for one sea bike. And you gonna tell me, you know, say world dog end up at some face and not even know which part in there. Hey, people! But tell me about World Dog now. World Dog and Yannick.
Who said that? Who said that?
I don't know which artist them people come say, but she did. Me say, no, for sure. Me say, and then the cartel and move out of Carol back in the 2000s, you know. Oh. And then he could have really pay my money. We go listen to, we go back in the 2000 when every Friday Zip Iron and Fire played.
You never find you until it wasn't ready for.
Me not tell you no lie, it was too much. It was just big and boring, nothing is there to talk about. Nothing is there to talk about. Me not like TikTok hotter than Sumfest. Me not tell no lie, TikTok hotter than Sumfest. And I'm pretty sure most persons did their Sumfest and they on TikTok. Me not ask you, TikTok hotter than Sumfest to true, ladies and gentlemen. Well, enough of them. Yeah, it's true. Enough of them. No, sister, we need a show. TikTok just hot. Me say Jake's there Sumfest and him don't know. World that there Sumfest and World that I try Joe himself. Eh? Tell me the truth. Then, you know, your TJ must have said something, say, K need to run out, you know. K take it up and cost TJ. You say K leave that alone, TJ no say nothing bad, they just need to run out. Now everybody knows say 10 pint and the man and the dog take him away. You know what she has saying? Run out on stage, you don't have no song, just go there and say, Abababu, Bababu, Abababu, Abababu. And people that are real fair, you know.
Oh?
K.
Oh.
So you're lost in everything of it?
Yeah.
My breastplate. Nice strong. No, just run out. Yeah, me not have no song. I tell everybody to stop trouble. Me not trouble. Him just simply say something. Say K need to run out here, so no, cause Shauna did boring.
Oh.
Yeah. So K need to just run out now. You understand what I say? You not say nothing wrong. TJ a woman and them in everybody business and nobody can go in a female Maya.
When people touch him, the female Maya hot topic.
Then what we me say Maya without makeup, but Jesus deliver my soul. And Maya not far from looking like me.
I don't like that about that little black eyes.
No man, I see Maya without makeup and the people in they come into wicked. Me I wonder what kind of eyesight them I use. You them she's not far from when she have on makeup. Nothing is wrong with the girl, she's a beautiful. Me say Jesus deliver me. No, somebody if makeup mash up her face or something wrong with my vision, but them people up on the internet wicked. Them wicked. Them wicked. I see the child without makeup and me have to look twice. Yeah. Twice, triple, triple and couple. Then I saw we look without makeup. I saw we look without makeup. The people them, you see when you look on Maya, I want that TJ beat her and she there cry. For true. You know see her face? Oh my God, and the people them in there comment, Jesus are no wicked. I never know they make up the one that's sweet, that's alright. The people them custom up on the apps, I'm ugly, I appreciate it. I do appreciate it. Yeah, call me, yeah. If your man not try to God, that's why I have no problem. It's true. Nothing wrong. Then supposed me if you go under makeup. Me that be a tweet piece of boy. Yeah. I was saying that dog yeah for me. I wonder if I Shauna change. Shauna, me not chat not like her, yo. Me just chat the truth. Your outfit did alright, yes?
Yeah, the fit.
Yeah, the fit did alright. The fit did alright. The outfit did alright. The
Nah,
outfit.
I look at them practice too.
The outfit did alright.
Like them rehearse.
10 point most service in left K, you know. Because for me pick up Shauna the career, she now go and good at 10 point most of the wrong girl me take, you know. Cause you know long 10 point one boss. You know long as skipper come boss before 10 point. Skipper did it again. Skipper did it again. Initially. Yeah, I'll skip
Here
it.
is Taliban's by Byron Messer.
You know I don't this chance, man, I beat that. I saw you disappear if I never did bad. Me know I go kill me, just a sing song.